So, hi everyone, welcome to TP Chennai. In this video, we will see one new announcement which I am going to make in this particular video is nothing but regarding our new online batch, right? Regarding our new online live video class batch. So, we are going to start a new online live video class batch from 9th of August, Monday onwards. So in my previous video also I have told that we are going to start the batch from 2nd of August, right? But due to some administrative reason we have postponed the batch, and now it is going to start from 9th of August, Monday onwards. Coming Monday onwards, we are going to start a new online live video class batch, right? So what about timings? Same as I have mentioned in my previous video, timings will be from 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Timings will be from evening 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Then what about days? This class will be from Monday to Sunday. Entire week you are going to have this live online video class batch. So clear? So you have a batch which starts from 9th of August, Monday onwards. Timings will be from evening 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Then it will be from Monday to Sunday. It will be like this. 3 days you will be having arithmetic class, 2 days you will be having reasoning class, and remaining 2 days you will be having English class. So depends upon the availability we will see. Clear? So what are the features of this batch? Now features of this batch is very simple. When you see here, you are going to get all chapters PDF that will be given to you. So once you join in this particular batch, you are going to get PDF of all the chapters like reasoning, arithmetic, English. You will be getting PDF of all the particular chapter in this particular batch. You will be getting PDF. Then you are going to get online mock test series. You are going to get online mock test series. We are having 500 plus mock in our app. So we are having two apps. One is nothing but TP Chennai. Second is nothing but TP Chennai official. So in TP Chennai, you are going to get this particular online mock test series where you will be having 500 plus mock tests are available, right? It will be free of cost. That means once you join in this particular batch, no need to pay any extra amount, right? So this validity of this online mock test series will be for 1 year, right? Validity will be for 1 year. This you will be getting in our TP Chennai app. Second, we are having TP Chennai official app. Later on, we will be adding our arithmetic material video. Reasoning material video is already there. Some chapters are already there. Then we are going to add or update English videos along with current affairs also. Then what will be the duration of this particular batch, right? So duration of this particular batch will be 3 months. Ma, is it clear? Duration of this particular batch will be 3 months. Within 3 months your portions will be covered. Then what about fee? Fee is nothing but 10,000. Application fee is nothing but 10,000 including GST. Including of GST you have to pay 10,000. Then what will be the payment mode? Now payment mode is nothing but you can pay through Phone Pay or you can pay through Google Pay. You can pay through Phone Pay or you can pay through Google Pay. Clear? Then if you have any doubt or clarification, right? If you have any doubt or clarification, please feel free to contact in this particular number 9884 955 017, right? 9884 955 017. You can contact or WhatsApp in this particular number and you can have all your doubts, you can clarify. So clear? So what are the things is there in this particular batch? So batch starts from 9th of August, Monday onwards. Timings of this batch will be evening 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Duration of this batch will be Monday to Sunday. You will be having Monday to Sunday. First, any 3 days you are going to have arithmetic, 2 days you will be having reasoning, and remaining 2 days you are going to have English video. Clear? Then what will be the duration of this batch? Duration is nothing but 3 months and fees will be 10,000. So you are going to get PDF of all chapters include reasoning, English as well as arithmetic. Then you are going to get online mock test series. Validity of this online mock test series will be for 1 year, right? Now who will be taking this particular batch? So arithmetic I am going to take, my name is Avinash, and reasoning our MD Madan sir is going to take. Then English will be taken by Inula sir, our beloved English faculty. He will be taking care of English section. Arithmetic I will be taken care of, and reasoning will be taken care by Madan sir. Right? So clear ma? So again I am repeating, batch will start from 9th of August. Right? So when you have to pay, so you can pay till 7th of August ma, because we are going to start this batch from 9th of August. So we want anyone who wants to join in this particular batch to enroll yourself by 7th of August. So for any doubt or clarification, you can contact in this particular number 9884 955 017, and you can clarify all your doubts. So hope please share this video among your friends, those who need classes for banking as well as insurance. So we will be covering portions for banking, insurance. We will be having IBPS clerical notification which will come, then IBPS PO will come, SBI PO, SBI clerical notification. SBI clerical is already over. You will be having RBI assistant as well as RBI grade B. So many notifications are going to come, and also it will be useful for your common entrance test also. So do share this video among your friends, those who need government job. So thanks a lot.